KIAG Alexis Vlog. For today's video, I will draw these mini stickers using my watercolors. I buy this sticker yesterday and it's so nice and perfect. It has less price also. Okay, let's start. Before I use my watercolor, I just sketch the drawing with my pencil. Kahapon ko lang din nabili yung watercolor ko. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda ng colors niya. Hindi ko mahanap yung isa ko lapis. Tapos ko mag-sketch, ni-remove ko muna to para maging maganda yung quality ng drawing. First, yung taas niya muna ang kinaloran ko. Wow! Super ganda ng blending nito. Naka-timelapse yung video kasi super haba ng progress nito. May ibang part na lagpas pero I think okay lang naman.